If everyone has a car like me, little scratches, whether it's leaking or not, can choose to fix it with paint like I did. If there's a scratch, we'll fix it. Watch out for anything. That's the color of the original car. Dispatch Car Scratch Repair Pen. It's actually a little scratch like this. There's no need to go to the 4S store and do the whole installment. You can fix it with a little paint like me. Where's the scratch? To maximize the retention of the original paint. I don't understand.